Today, we are in conversation with Annie Lewallen, who worked with Asha for over 6 weeks. Annie is a student from Boston University School of Public Health and was here working at the Asha headquarters. So, Annie, how was the first day in the slums?
The first day in the slums was definitely a life-changing experience. I saw things that I had never seen before. The poverty was particularly, everything was different. The smells were different. It looked different. You can hear about slums and how it feels for people to live there, and then you see it, and it's just a completely different experience. I think what struck me most, however, was I was expecting to feel shocked and saddened by what I saw, but I wasn't expecting to feel or to see the happiness and the joy that people have there, and the sense of community and responsibility to one another. And I think that is what surprised me most of all on my first day. And they were so welcoming. I mean, I wasn't sure how they would react to us. We had cameras, we came in, we're foreigners, and they couldn't have been more welcoming and made us feel like we were a part of their family, of their community.
So, was there any particular incident that you remember that just struck your heart?
Yes, we were at Puri slum, and we were, I was watching the Balmondel, the children's group, and they were learning about tuberculosis that day. And the kids were sitting on a mat, talking, and one by one, because we were there, they got up to talk about their experiences as Balmondel members and what that means for them and what they do as members of this group. And one of the girls stood up, and she was asked how she makes a difference and how she participates in Balmondel. And she said that one of her neighbors, a young girl, both of her parents had died. And as a member of this group, she went over to her house and slept with the girl at night because her parents had died. And she said something like, "She has no brothers and sisters, so I became her sister." And it shocked me and really touched me that these kids have such a sense of responsibility and a sense of just awareness of each other and helping each other. And I think it's really can be attributed to the work that Asha has done, and you know, how they've seen these kids and the responsibility they've given these kids. They're going to really turn out to be great human beings, I think.
So now you've been here with us for 6 weeks and you're going back today. You've seen all the work that Asha does. How do you plan to spread the word and spread the awareness about our work?
I really hope that I can continue working with Asha remotely, maybe doing grant writing, editing, anything that comes through the office, working in marketing, campaigns, anything. As a student at Boston University, as a graduate student, I would love to take the themes of Asha and really spread those to faculty. I know that Boston University is interested in having a strong connection with Asha, so I would love to help facilitate that and help bring other graduate students who are looking for practicum opportunities or opportunities to work in the field, to bring those students to Asha and just connect them that way. I would also love to organize fundraisers, share my photos with people who maybe in my neighborhood at home or in the communities that I have grown up in. And I know that people will be interested in supporting Asha's work, and I would love to spread knowledge of what I've learned here.
Thank you so much for all that. We hope to keep in touch with you.
Thank you very much. I'm sure we'll keep in touch. Thank you.